Hi, today I'm in Karbi Anglong, which is one of the most biodiverse districts of Assam. And today we are near a fruit tree, which is a very rare one. This is the rose apple tree. Had heard about it a lot and I'd seen it in pictures, but for the first time I've seen this in actual nature. This is in Itiban Resort, Khotkoti, Karbi Anglong. Here we can see that these fruits are very beautiful, very nice texture, and has a very beautiful color. I've heard that these fruits are very tasty, some of the most tastiest fruit which one can have. Here we take a closer look at these fruits. A tree of this growing, and we can see that by the number of fruits which have grown in this tree, that the productivity of the tree is very high. Here is another tree, and by looking at the number of fruits which have fallen down from the tree, we can gauge the large number production. I will would like the see the fruit a bit closely. Here it is. If we break the fruit, we see that the fruit is very much hollow and it has a large seed. And so, if we like knock the fruit, we can hear the seed from outside. Some of these fruits bear two seeds also, and some of them bear one. It is a very tasty fruit, and one should relish it. But while I was eating, I found that one should be very careful by eating it, because we can see that when I cut this fruit, that a tiny worm was inside it. So we should be very careful while eating it. I ate some of the fruit. It was one of the tastiest fruit I ever had. The ones which had no worms, but given the worm which I found, I think it is always better to cut it and look it from inside before consuming the fruit, because we may not know that how many worms may be in there. I tried to bring out these worms, but these are very difficult as they live inside the flesh. I was able to get hold of this and show you in quite details. I in fact knew that a number of other worms also were there in the fruit, but it was very difficult to bring them out. And it came to my mind that a few days ago I see the video where worms were taken out by dipping the mushroom in water. So I tried the same thing, and to my surprise, a large number of worms came out. As you can see, that a number of worms have come out from the fruit, and if I consume this without doing that, these all worms would have been inside my stomach now. Here we can see the number of worms which have come out of the fruit. So this is one of the reasons why we must always be careful while consuming fruit from the wild, because we never know what might be inside them. If you have liked our videos, do share it and also subscribe to our channel for more other such videos.